Hey guys, so I have something I want to try out today, these Omeals. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. These are MREs that actually cook themselves. All you have to do is add water. You check out here on the back. So I've got the turkey chili with beans right here, and then I've got a pasta here as well. So that'll give us a good example of how this is going to turn out, and not say, oh, well, I didn't like this flavor or I didn't like this flavor. We'll get a good example. So this actually has a steam vent on top. You see this here. This actually cooks itself. All you have to do is open the bag, put some water in there, tear open this little element that heats it, and then add this 3 to 5 ounces of water for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then after that, you have food you didn't have to cook. This one on here has about 220 calories, and this one is about 200 as well. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tear this open. We'll also tear this one open as well. So inside here we have salt, pepper, a little spoon in here, and some napkins. I already have a spork, so I'm good to go. We have the heating element right here. And we also have the contents of the bag. I'll go ahead and get both of these out. So we're going to tear this heating element open, and you'll see this inside. We'll go ahead and put this inside the bag. So after we put the heating element, we're going to go ahead and put the food in as well. After we've added that, we're going to put 3 to 5 ounces in here. I have a measurement on here. All right, so now that we've added that in here, it's just cooking on its own. You hear that? Ooh, it's actually warm to the touch, actually. Shut up, bird. So the cool thing about these is, while we did use some like spring water and put it in this Nalgene and measured it out, you really can use basically any liquid. I've seen people use creek water, you can put Gatorade, any type of liquid you can put in there and it'll cook it, because the heating element doesn't even touch the food in any way. So basically right now it's cooking our food. This bag is really very warm now. And so we just sit here and wait on that. We've got about 2 more minutes and we should be able to go ahead and try these out and see how they taste. So we're going to go ahead and open these up. I am going to avoid touching anything that's hot right now. So basically these are done and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and take these out and we'll go ahead and taste test them, see how they are. All right, so we used about half of the bag here, and we also added a little bit of Fritos here just for a little bit of volume and maybe a little bit of texture. We'll see how this tastes.
Is it bomb?
It's so good.
Good stuff.
All right, the turkey chili is really, really good. We're gonna go ahead and taste the pasta we got over here. I'm not gonna put Fritos in that. I just don't think that would taste good. So for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it out of here just to use less plates. But this is what it looks like inside. A nice pasta right here. Well, we'll see how this one tastes. I think this one's even better. I like this one a lot better, actually. Yeah, this one's really good. So of the 2 flavors, I think this chili is really good. but this pasta right here is just like something else. So basically I was able to make 2 meals right here with no heating, no cooking. So this would be really good MRE for backpacking, something like that. You know, it's not like dry inside and then you kind of cook it after a while, and you got to bring your jet boil, you got to bring all that. Everything you need is in that bag. So I would say, do I recommend this? I can recommend these 2 flavors. That's all I've had. So I can't recommend all the flavors, but I will try it. I have 2 more in the car, some other flavors, and I'm excited to try those. But for today, I don't need more than these 2, so I'm good to go. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this helpful. I know a lot of people see these in REI and walk by them and wonder, you know, is it worth the money? It's only $8, and basically you've got an entire meal that cooks itself. You don't have to buy a jet boil. You don't have to bring anything to heat it up. I want to thank you guys for stopping by and checking this out. If you found it helpful, you know, give it a like, subscribe, check out what I'm doing in some other videos. I'll post those at the end. But that being said, I'm going to see you guys later. I'm going to go ahead and finish this. Thanks for stopping by.